Hey guys, how's it going? Rocket Money versus Monarch Money Incorporates. Which is best for you? So let's get down to the bottom of this and let's get to know some of the features. Viewing all of your accounts, both Monarch Money and Rocket Money let you connect all your financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, brokerage accounts, etc. Right, brokerage, and basically to the app you can see all your money in that at a glance. This lets you manage your finances in a holistic way and stay on top of recent transactions and upcoming bills due to debited out of your checking account. Subscription and billing help. Rocket Money is the winner here. Monarch Money will not help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money shows you a list of your active subscriptions, making it easy to tell what you're paying for, and if you decide you want out, Rocket Money can reach out on your behalf. Similarly, Rocket Money also offers a service to negotiate your bills, such as internet, cell phone services, or you will be charged a percentage of the savings. You choose between 35% and 60% as a success fee, and if Rocket Money can save you money, you won't be charged at all. Shared access. Both apps allow more than one person to access household finances in the app with separate logins credentials. This feature is only available with paid premium tier of Rocket Money. This is really handy if you want to collaborate with partner to whip your finance into shape and get better at budgeting. Automated savings. Automating your savings contributions is actually a good way to ensure they happen without your direct intervention. So Monarch Money does not offer this service, but Rocket Money does. You set up a saving plan through the app and can opt for either regular contributions from your linked checking account, or let Rocket Money's AI tool Smart Savings analyze your finances and arrange small transfers every few days. All right. Credit monitoring. Monarch Money does not offer credit score monitoring, but Rocket Money does. All right. So the user interface. Monarch Money offers a clean and ad-free interface. Since this is exclusively paid app, more on that, and this makes it easy, incredibly easy for even a beginner users to find information they need quickly. Rocket Money's free tier user interface is pretty basic. The most flashy feature are paywalled, and you will still be able to manage your budget with the free version. All right. And let's get down to the cost. Only one of these apps has a permanent free tier. You can get a free 7-day trial of Monarch Money, but if you decide to keep the app after this period, you can expect to pay $14.99 a month if you opt for a monthly subscription, or $99.99 upfront for a full year, a savings of nearly $80. There is no free option, but this may not be a deal breaker for you, especially given the clean ad-free interface of Monarch Money. Rocket Money has a free option, but it is pretty basic. You'll be able to link your accounts and use some simple budgeting tools, but to access the cooler features and also share finances with another user, you will need to spring for the premium version of the app. You can also use the free 7-day trial, and then you'll be able to choose a monthly cost between $6 and $12. All right. And you have two great options for budgeting apps, with Monarch Money and Rocket Money. There's some overlap between the two, and both can help you give every dollar a job. And so it's best to consider your own specific needs to pick the right option for you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.